Gusto mo bang matuto ng shortcut kung paano isolve ang remainder when dividing polynomials? Well, this video will show you exactly how, so make sure you keep watching. What is the remainder when the function f of x equals 2x cubed plus x squared minus 8x plus 5 is divided by the binomial x plus 3? So, una isolve muna natin to using the synthetic division. So for synthetic division, identify natin yung coefficients. 2, positive 1, negative 8, and 5. Let's write 2, positive 1, negative 8, and positive 5. And our divisor is x plus 3 right here. Equate natin to 0. X plus 3 equals 0. Solve for x. X is equal to negative 3. So ayan yung ating divisor. Bring down the leading coefficient 2. Multiply 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Let's add 1 plus negative 6 is negative 5. Multiply negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. Let's add again. Negative 8 plus 15 is positive 7. And 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. Now, if we add 5 plus negative 21 is negative 16. And alam natin sa synthetic division, yung last value dito, ayan yung ating remainder. However, synthetic division is not the best for this problem. Kasi ang tinatanong lang naman sa ating problem is yung remainder. Hindi naman niya hinihingi yung quotient. Kasi sa synthetic division, binibigay sa atin yung quotient. Included lang si remainder. However, dahil remainder lang ang kailangan natin, this is too much work. And we can apply a much easier method, which is yung remainder theorem. Explain ko yun sa inyo. Simple lang ang concept ng remainder theorem. So, if we have a function f of x, and let's say we're dividing it by the binomial x minus c, then the remainder is equal to the value of the function kapag sinalpak natin or sinubstitute natin yung value ng c sa x. So that's it. I-substitute nyo lang yung value ng c sa ating divisor sa value ng function. Kung ano yung makuha yung value, that's the remainder. Ngayon, i-apply natin yan. First, our divisor is x plus 3. Copying ko dito. X plus 3 equal natin kay 0. And solve for x. Therefore, x is equal to negative 3. And then, copying ko ngayon yung function. F of x. And I'm going to use a color coordination here for the variable x. Is equal to 2x cubed. And then plus x squared minus 8x and then plus 5. Ngayon, substitute natin yung value ng x, which is negative 3 sa ating function. Palitan nyo yung lahat ng value ng x ng negative 3. Therefore, we have f of x is equal to negative 3 is equal to 2x cubed. X is negative 3 plus x squared. X is negative 3 minus 8 times x. X is negative 3 and then plus 5. Tapos simplify na lang natin. Negative 3 cube is negative 27. And negative 27 times 2 is negative 54. So negative 54. And then negative 3 squared is positive 9. So meron tayong parenthesis dito. So plus 9. And then negative 8 times negative 3 is positive 24. And then plus 5. Therefore, the value of the function when x is negative 3 is equal to, simplify natin yan. Negative 54 plus 9 plus 24 plus 5 is negative 16. So this is our remainder. And kung babalikan nyo yung video kanina, nung nag-synthetic division tayo, negative 16 na nakuha natin. So mas madali ito kasi nag-substitute lang tayo ng value ng x. Next, what is the remainder when the polynomial p of x equals 2x cubed minus 5x plus 3 is divided by the binomial x plus 2? So, focus muna tayo sa ating binomial dito, yung ating divisor. So, x plus 2 equals 0, solve for x. Therefore, x is equal to negative 2. Now, punta tayo sa ating polynomial. P of x, I'm going to use color yellow for our variable x, is equal to 2x cubed minus 5x plus 3. Now it's time to substitute the value of x into our function. So p of x is negative 2, is equal to 2 times x, and x is negative 2, cube minus 5 times x, and x is again negative 2, plus 3. Simplify natin. Negative 2 cube is negative 8. And negative 8 times 2 is negative 16. And then negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10. And then plus 3. So p of negative 2 is equal to negative 16 plus 10 plus 3 is negative 3. So ito yung ating remainder. How about this one? What is the remainder when the function f of x equals x raised to the 6th minus 5x raised to the 4th plus 3x squared plus 10 is divided by the binomial x minus 2? Alright, our divisor here is x minus 2. So equate natin yan to 0. X minus 2 equals 0. Tapos solve for x. X is equal to positive 2. Next, let us write our function. F of x, I'm going to use color coding for the variable x, is equal to x raised to 6. And then minus 5x raised to the power of 4. And then plus 3x squared. And then plus 10. Substitute natin yung value ng x sa ating function. F of 2 is equal to x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 6 minus 5 times x again, and the value of x is 2 raised to power of 4 plus 3x squared. X is again 2 squared plus 10. And then let's simplify. 2 raised to the power of 6 is equal to 64, while 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. And then 2 squared is equal to 4. Therefore, f of 2 is equal to 64, and then minus 5 times 16 is 80. And then plus 3 times 4 is 12. And then plus 10. Let's proceed. F of 2 is equal to 64 plus 12 plus 10 is equal to 86. And then minus 80. Therefore, f of 2 is equal to 6. This is the remainder.